Good morning, children. Welcome back to English subject. Today we are going to see another new lesson, Unit 7, Kali and the Rat Snake. See children, I have already told you government has minimized some portion. So they have taken out poem number 6, Kindness to Animals. So this poem is not there for this year. Okay. Just you strike out this poem in your textbook. Okay. So I will move on to the next lesson, Unit 7, Kali and the Rat Snake. Okay. Before moving on to this lesson, there is a pre-reading activity, a small poem, If I Met. Listen to the poem on different animals and their sounds, and you can imitate those sounds by yourself. Okay. Okay, let us start this poem. If I met. If I met a crow, I should say caw caw. If I met a lamb, I should say ba ba. If I met a cow, I should say moo moo. If I met a dove, I should say boo coo. If I met a dog, I should say bow wow. If I met a cat, I should say meow. If I met a crocodile, what should I say? Why, nothing at all. I should just run away. See, if I met a crow, I should say caw caw. When you met a crow, it makes a sound, no? How it produces sound? Caw caw. Yes or no? Yes. Next, if I met a lamb, I should say ba ba. When you stood in front of the lamb, how you imitate the lamb? Ba ba. Isn't it? Yes. If you met a cow, how you imitate? Moo moo. Next, what is the sound of a dove? How it produces the sound? Boo coo. Next, if you met a dog, how you show the sound of a dog? Wow wow. If you met a cat, how you will say meow meow? Yes or no? Yes. But if you met a crocodile, what should you say? No sound only. Yes or no? Yes. Nothing at all. You should just run away from there. Yes or no? Yes, because it will eat you. Suppose if you stood in front of a crocodile, what it will do? Suddenly the crocodile swallow you. Means it will eat you. Yes or no? Yes. So you just run away from that place. Okay. Do you understood this poem? Okay. Shall we move on to the lesson? Okay. Before reading, just you see the meanings of new words. New words. Tribe. A group of people living together, sharing the same language, customs, religion, etc. Trembling. Shaking. Grin. Broad smile. Commotion. Noise. Confusion. Let us start the lesson. Kali walked slowly along the forest path on his way to school. He wished it was a Sunday. He wanted to go with his father to the forest and look for different kinds of snakes. His father was a famous snake charmer of the Irula tribe. See, Kali was unhappy to go to school, okay? He is thinking that it is Sunday, like he wanted to go with his father to see a variety of snakes because his father's job is a snake catcher. He was a famous snake charmer of the Irula tribe, okay? Next para. Kali had joined school 2 months ago. Before that, he was roaming around in the jungle, free to do whatever he wanted. Now, he felt lonely at school because he did not have a single friend. In fact, when he introduced himself to his classmates on the first day of school, everyone laughed at him. For the first time in his life, Kali did not feel proud of being an Irula. He wished he could leave school, but the teacher was very kind. She praised Kali for any little work he did at school. See children, Kali joined school 2 months before. Okay, till then he was happily roaming here and there in the jungle. Whatever he want, he can do. When he hunt there, he was at back of his father. He was happily roaming there. But now after coming to this school, he has to follow some discipline. So he was sitting in the class, and also another important thing is he not having any friend. Okay, that's why he was very unhappy. He is always away from the other students because they will make fun of him, no? So that's why he won't sit in the group. He wanted to leave the school, but the teacher was very kind. She is praising him always for his little work in the school. Okay. Next, one day during an English class, there was a big commotion. One child was pointing a trembling finger at the roof, saying, "Shh, snake." Kali looked up at and saw a snake. He understood that it was a rat snake and was harmless. He also remembered his father's words, "Rat snakes come mistaking the smell of humans to be that of rats." See children, Kali thought it is a rat snake. He knows because he was going with his father to catch the snakes. So he knows very well that it is a harmless snake. It is not poisonous. So he thought that it is harmless. He also remembered his father's words. Means Kali's father told him about rat snakes, and his father said that rat snakes come mistaking the smell of humans to be that of rats. See next what happens. Suddenly the snake fell down in the middle of the room. Everyone was very scared. There were screams from all the children. But Kali did not show any fear. He quickly grabbed the snake with his hand behind the snake's head. A loud cheer broke out. Everyone started chanting, "Kali, Kali, Kali." Kali looked up with surprise. All the children started dragging Kali by the hand, saying, "Kali, you are brave. You must sit next to me." Kali had a big grin on his face. After school, he went to home and told everyone, for his parents and brothers, about the snake and how he had caught it. His family was proud of his fearlessness. They felt happy that Kali came back home in a cheerful mood. The next day, Kali woke up much earlier than usual and got ready to go to school to meet all his new friends. See, it was a big joy because everybody, all his friends know, they all became friends because he has done a brave thing. Okay, without any hesitation, he just grabbed it. Yes or no? They all would have run fast outside, but Kali has grabbed that snake in his hand. That's why he became a big hero in the school, and all the children became his friends. And children started saying, "Kali, you are brave. You sit with me." The behavior of the children changed after Kali caught the snake, and they admired Kali's courage. So he went to home very happily and he shared this snake incident, to everybody, to his parents and brothers, about the snake and how he had caught it with his hand. and his family was proud of his bravery. They felt very happy that Kali came back to home very happily. And next day onwards, he woke up early and got ready to school with a cheerful mood, and he want to meet all his new friends. Children, from this lesson, what you have understood? See, this lesson teaches children are different from one another about their like acceptance. Okay, there are different people in our school, in our classes. See, each one are different. We all are from different background. We have different culture, different way of eating. Many things are different, but as together we are third standard. But when we are under one roof or one class as third standard. Okay, see, we should not show our anger or like to tell if you don't like anybody. Don't show that on them. Okay, don't show on your face also. We should be like friends. Everyone are same in school. For us, all are same. So you should not say, oh, she is rich. Oh, see, she is a poor. No, not all these things. Okay, everyone are equal to us. So you also should make friends. You could not say all those things. Okay. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you, children.